Good morning, students. Yesterday we have finished till if someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, they should eat a light meal or they should drink a lemon sharbat or they can eat dahi bhat or any other light things. So if someone has a cut, bruise or a small wound, it should be washed with clean water and dabbed dry. Now what does this sentence means? If someone has a cut, in this picture you can see a small girl, she is having a cut or a wound on her leg. So what should we do at this time? We should wash it with a clean water. First you have to wash that wound with a clean water and after you have to dab dry, means आपको वहाँ पे जो ज़ख्म हुई है वहाँ पे आपको क्लीन पानी से धोना है और फिर उसे ड्राई करना है. A tincture of iodine may be applied to it. Now you can also apply a small amount of iodine if you have on that wound. Then it should be covered with clean cotton and bandage. After that it should be covered with a clean cotton. You have to take a clean cotton. You have to cover that wound with a clean cotton and you have to put a bandage on that wound. Even if an illness appears to be minor, it should never be neglected. Means if you feel sick in small amount, if your illness is minor, so you should always remember that you should always take care of yourself. It should never be neglected. Remember, home remedies have limits. Means it is not every time that if you are not feeling well you should apply home remedies. No, home remedies always have some limits. If a person does not recover in a day or two, or if the illness worsens, one must go to a doctor. If a person is not feeling well more than 2 to 3 days, you should not neglect it. You should take to that person to the doctor because it can turn to the worst condition. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take any medicine that must be swallowed. Now this sentence means if you feel ill or if you feel sick, you should not take medicines on your own. You should always take a doctor's advice and then you should take a medicine because it may cause any harm to your body. People who provide health services to society. Now, who provides health services to the society? A service that takes care of the health of the people and provides treatment for those who are ill is called a health service or medical service. Means the people who provide care of the health to the people or they give some treatment, they are called as health service or medical services. There are people who provide treatment for the ill people or the sick people. They are called as health service or medical service. Big towns and cities have doctors. Now in big towns and cities there are doctors, clinics and hospitals. These doctors, clinics and hospitals you can see around you. But in most cities and in rural areas there are government hospitals. But in some cities or in rural areas means कुछ गाँवों में गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं एंड प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स होते हैं. वहाँ पे ऐसे डॉक्टर्स, क्लिनिक्स या हॉस्पिटल्स नहीं होते हैं. वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स होते हैं. पेशेंट्स कैन गेट ट्रीटमेंट एट कंसेशनल रेट्स देयर. वहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट कम रेट में होती है. पेशेंट्स कैन गेट ट्रीटमेंट एट कंसेशनल रेट्स देयर. मीन्स अगर किसी को कुछ भी इशू हो, प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो वहाँ पे वो सॉल्व किए जाते हैं. द म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशंस ऑफ बिग सिटीज़ ऑल्सो रन हॉस्पिटल्स दैट प्रोवाइड मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट. नाउ देर आर म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इन द बिग सिटीज़. दे रन हॉस्पिटल्स दैट प्रोवाइड मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट. Okay, there are some hospitals of municipal corporations, they provide medical treatment in big cities also. Now what we have learnt in this chapter, let's revise. Some illnesses are cured quickly, but there are some that do not get cured easily. Minor illnesses can be cured with home remedies. Experienced elderly people in the family know of such home remedies. For a cold, one can inhale steam or take hot fomentations. A lemon sharbat is good for someone who is vomiting. Always remember, mantras, incantations, magic spells and charms do not cure any diseases or illness. जैसे कि हमने देखा था, मांत्रिक जब मंत्र पढ़ते हैं उससे हमारी बीमारी ठीक नहीं होती है. It cannot cause any cure on our diseases or illness. We should always prefer to go to doctor for any of the disease or illness. Okay, in this way we finish with this chapter. You also revise it. Thank you.